Welcome to a quick and easy guide on how to update your pronouns on Pinterest using your PC. Pinterest has made it simple to express yourself and ensure others know how to address you correctly. This tutorial will walk you through each step, so let's dive right in. First, head over to Pinterest's website and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the bottom left corner. You should see a gear icon there. This is your gateway to the settings menu. Click on that gear icon to proceed. Once you click the gear icon, a menu will pop up. From the options listed, select Settings. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your Pinterest account. In the Settings menu, you'll find several options on the left-hand side. Look for Edit Profile and click it. This section allows you to change your personal information, including your name, about section, and of course, your pronouns. Now you're in the Edit Profile section. Scroll down until you find the Pronouns bar. Here, you'll see your current pronouns displayed. If you're updating or changing them, you'll want to remove the existing pronouns first. Simply click on the current pronoun to remove it one. Once the old pronoun is removed, it's time to choose your new pronouns. Click the drop-down arrow in the Pronouns section to see a list of available options. Pinterest offers a variety of pronouns to choose from, so select the one that best reflects your identity. According to a 2021 Economic Times article, users can select from traditional pronouns like he, him, or she, her, and more inclusive options such as xi, sem, or zazir. After selecting your new pronouns, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the Edit Profile page, and click it. This ensures that your new pronouns are updated and displayed on your profile. And that's it. You've successfully updated your pronouns on Pinterest. This simple update helps others understand and respect your identity on the platform. Adding pronouns is a great way to personalize your profile and make it easier for people to know how to address you. It reflects a growing trend among social media platforms to cater to Gen Z users, who are increasingly identifying as LGBT+. By offering non-binary pronoun options, Pinterest joins other platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn in promoting inclusivity. So, whether you're updating your pronouns for the first time or simply making a change, Pinterest has made the process straightforward and user-friendly. Take a moment to ensure your profile reflects who you are. Thanks for tuning in, and happy pinning.